Hey, Tony from Autoshop Solutions. I wanted to talk to you today about what makes for a good auto repair website. First, let's take a second to think about your car. What color is it? Is it a coupe? Is it a sedan? Now let's think about those tires on that car. Are they in good condition? Do they run smooth? Or do they have bald spots? Are they a little choppy and causing vibrations inside the car? Your website's gonna be very similar to an experience of a bad tire. If your website's bad and underperforming, it's not gonna convert and you're not gonna get the cars and bays that you're expecting. Having a high performing website is gonna help convert those calls and clicks to your business so you can get more cars in your bays. It's very important to have a very smooth running website, just like it's important to have smooth running tires on a vehicle. Most consumers, when visiting a website, have 3 to 4 seconds to make a decision if they're gonna continue on with that website. If it's not performing, you're gonna lose 50% of people that are visiting your site. We wanna make sure that your site is high performing. There's a few metrics that we're gonna make sure we're keeping our eye on to ensure that your site load speed needs to be where it is so you can get as many people as possible to call your business. And to take it a step further, we actually measure user behavior on the website. We're watching where they're clicking, where they're scrolling, and what they're interacting with. We do this to make sure we're getting you as many clicks and as appointments scheduled as possible. This is another way we're gonna take your website and make it high performing to work for your business. Well, I can get into the technical details of exactly how we're tracking everything. It is covered in the blog post, but keep in mind, we are watching to see what page they're initially visiting and how they are interacting with your website. To wrap it up, we're gonna be the ones keeping our eye on your website, making sure it's performing and it's doing its job, which is ultimately helping you get more cars in your bays. Think about those tires. You're not driving around on bad tires, are you? You're gonna fix them. Stop riding around on a bad website.